Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix your iPhone camera if it's not working and showing a black screen. So, let's get started. First, go to Settings. Once you're there, click on Screen Time option. Once you are in the Screen Time option, scroll down and go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. And toggle it on if it's off. Now, click on Allowed Apps. And toggle off the camera. Wait for a few seconds, and then toggle the camera back on. If that didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we have another solution. Head back to Settings main screen. And then scroll down. And click on the General. Once you are in, scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone, and click on it. Then, click on Reset. And from the options, choose Reset All Settings. And then enter your mobile passcode. And then you'll need to confirm this by clicking Reset All Settings again. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all your settings. Now, check if your camera is working. I hope your problem is solved. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.